Hey everyone, so I bought this really nice Cub Cadet last year. Used it several times, it was awesome, and then went to start it this year, and of course it won't fire up. So I just want to show you a really quick fix of what I did. First, you want to get the snowblower on the shovel side, so just lift it up. Once you have it laying on the front end, you're going to want to find the carburetor, which is this guy right here. Undo the very bottom bolt, which is a 10 millimeter. Open that up, take this cap off, and you'll find a hole. So what I got was this Lincoln Electric it's a cleaner kit for some welders. So you find the biggest one that fits in here in the hole once you open this up, and you just stick it in and wiggle it around, clean it up real nice, put it back together, and she should start right up. I found this info on YouTube if you want to see like a more detailed video. I believe it was Pate's Garage, but that worked for me and fired right up real quick after I did that. All right, enjoy guys.